Hi, um, welcome back to our video. This is a, Belkin Kindle folio case for Kindle Touch and Kindle Paperwhite, if I'm not mistaken. Yeah. So as long as your Kindle is that Kindle Touch and Kindle Paperwhite, this two should be fit your device. Yeah. Let's have a look. One. Okay, it's the back. Got some like cutouts, some holes here for the speaker, I guess, on the inside. Microfiber linen here, and also like maybe a pocket here to put something. Okay, that's the black one. The purple, similar. Let's have a look. Okay, there you go. Yeah, thanks for watching. Bye.